going on, guys? My name is Joe, and I'm with my buddies today from Underground Racing and Eurofed. We had an amazing time. We have Lambos, R8, Aventador, and my 720S.
My favorite part today was hanging out with the boys. I had the loudest car out there. We had underground cars, we had Lamborghinis, we had Audi R8s, we had all the Eurofed squad out there. Staying 6 feet back, quarantine style.
Today was amazing. Above all though, the cars are just a tool to bring the people together. It's all about camaraderie, getting all the guys together, talking smack, but also talking business, and just a great get together. Really proud and blessed to be a part of these guys.